Augmented reality is the ability to insert overlays of digital and virtual information into the real world. In our classroom, we will be using augmented reality to make learning more engaging for students. It will make ordinary classroom objects come to life. I have created an augmented reality game to give you an example of what using augmented reality in the classroom will look like. This game will be used as a math activity to help students practice measuring with non-standard units. In order to play this game, students will work with a partner. Each partner pair will have their own activity sheet. Each activity sheet will tell the students what they need to measure. To start the game, students will use the Aurasma app to look at the owl.
Hi boys and girls, today we have a lot of fun things to do. But first, I need your help. Baby Echo flew away last night when we were all at home. He said if we want him to come back, we need to measure to find magic numbers and get a secret code. Will you help me? I thought you would be the best people for this job. All we need to do is use our cubes to measure the objects on our activity sheet. The measurements will be the magic numbers. We need to use our Aurasma app on our smart devices to check our work by scrolling over the magic numbers that Baby Echo left for us around the classroom. These are the magic numbers that he left. The secret code will be revealed when we find the last magic number. Then we need to yell it out the window to get him back. He left a video for us to watch before we begin searching for him. He says it will teach us how to measure with cubes. Scroll over the green exclamation point on your activity sheet to watch it. Good luck. I hope we find him.
That video introduces the activity to the students. This video will teach students how to measure. After watching that video, students will look at their activity sheet to see what the first object they need to measure is. The first object on the activity sheet is a quarter. Students will measure a quarter using cubes to find the magic number. The quarter is 1 cube long. That means the first magic number is 1. The students will use the Aurasma app to scan the number 1 trigger image to get their first clue.
You did it. You found the first magic number. Now keep going so we can get the secret code to get Baby Echo to come home.
Next, the students will go back to their activity sheet to look what the next object is. The next object is a Post-it. A Post-it is 4 cubes long. That means the magic number is 4.
4. You got it. One step closer to the secret code.
After watching that video, the students will go back to the activity sheet. The next object is a pencil. A pencil is 10 cubes long, so the magic number is 10. The students will see an image of a pencil so that they know they were correct. After seeing that image, they go back to the activity sheet. The next object is computer paper. Computer paper is 14 cubes long. So they will scan 14.
There is 14 cubes long. Good work. Now we're even closer to getting the secret code. The computer paper is 14 cubes long. Good work.
After seeing that image, the students will already have some clues, so they can go back to the activity sheet and continue doing their work. The next is the Expo Dry Erase marker. The magic number for that is 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The magic number is 6. Keep going so we can find the secret code. 1.
After watching those videos, the students go back to their activity sheet to keep finding the code. The next is a pen. The pen is magic number 8. The students will see an image of a pen showing them that they have correctly measured it. Next on the list is the Crayola marker, which is magic number 7. The students will see a picture of the Crayola marker and 7 cubes underneath it. This shows the students that they have measured correctly. Last on the list is a pencil case. The pencil case is 12 cubes long. When the students scan over this image, they will get the secret code to get Echo to come back home.
You did it! You found all of the magic numbers. That means you earned the secret code. The secret code is, Baby Echo, come home. Quick, go yell it out the window and see if he comes back to us.
After hearing those directions, the students will run to the window and yell, Baby Echo, come home! And see if Baby Echoes comes back to the classroom. I bet you're wondering what happens when a student gets an answer wrong. When a student finds a number that is not a magic number, this is what they will hear.
Uh-oh, this is not a magic number. Go measure again. Ask your teacher or a partner for help if you need it. Uh-oh, this is not a magic.
When students hear that, they will have to go back and re-measure the object that they were measuring to find the real magic number. Once the students find all the magic numbers and yell the secret code out the window, the teacher will direct them to watch the conclusion video. Students will need to scan the smiley face.
You did it! All of your hard work measuring and finding magic numbers helped us find Baby Echo. He heard all of you yelling the secret code out the window and came home. While you were searching for him, you even got to practice measuring with non-standard units. Good work, boys and girls.
This game will engage students in a new, fun, and exciting way of learning. Students will learn how to measure with non-standard units and then practice their skills by applying it to a real-life problem. However, students will be learning so much more than just how to measure. Students will be actively participating in the 5E model: engagement, exploration, explanation, elaboration, and evaluation. Students will be engaged in learning when they are told that Baby Echo flew away and that they are the ones that need to help find him. They will explore measurement by measuring the objects to find the secret code. The students will need to explain how they are finding the magic numbers to their partner and their teacher. To elaborate on this game, students can use different units of measurement to play again. Then they can compare the measurements and discuss why different units give us different results. The teacher will evaluate students' understanding of the concept by observing them as they are working, asking them to explain their measurements, and giving them an exit ticket when the game is over. Students will use the models and simulations in the overlays to help check their work and get clues to solve the problems. Using augmented reality in the classroom allows students to actively participate in their own learning. They will be more engaged in the learning process and retain more information. These students were born in the technology era. They will be curious and continuously want to explore more with augmented reality. Augmented reality will enable students to discover more and inspire their future.